Hello, Oliver from NestKing here. In this video, I will show you how to install NestKing step by step. Step 1. Download NestKing. Go to our website at www.nestking.at. Click the free demo button. Fill in your first name, last name, and email address. You can also add your industry. This is optional. Check the box to confirm you are not a robot. Click the Get Download link button. You will receive an email with the download link. Click the link to start downloading the NestKing zip file. Step 2. Extract the files. After the download finishes, double-click the zip file. Inside, you will see 4 files: a PDF file with installation instructions, the CodeMeter installer for licensing, the NestKing installer for the software, a test license file for activation. Step 3. Install CodeMeter. Double-click the CodeMeter installer. Follow the steps shown in the setup. It is simple and quick. Step 4. Install NestKing. Double-click the NestKing installer. Click Next in the Setup wizard. Choose where to install NestKing or keep the default location. Accept the license agreement. Click Install and wait for the installation to finish. Leave the Launch NestKing option checked and click Finish. Step 5. Activate the test license. When you open NestKing, you will see a message saying no license is available. Here is how to activate your license. Close the message and open the CodeMeter Control Center. Drag and drop the test license file into the license field in CodeMeter. A confirmation message will appear. Click OK. Now your license is active and you can use NestKing. Step 6. Launch NestKing. Open NestKing again. The welcome screen will appear. Here, you can choose your measurement system: metric, millimeters and grams, imperial, inches and pounds. You can change this later in the settings if needed. Click Start Application to begin. And that's it. You have successfully installed NestKing. On this start page here, you will find more information about NestKing. If you're using this app for the first time, I recommend watching the Getting Started video linked here. If you have any issues during installation or any other questions, feel free to contact us anytime at support@nestking.at. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Ciao.